Welcome back to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expertise. Imagine a product that promises to be more than just a highlighter, one that can double as a shimmer, a shadow, and even a bronzer. That's what I've been testing, theBalm Manizer in the shade Cindy Lou. At first glance, it's compact, creamy, and comes from a brand known for playful packaging with a retro twist. But packaging aside, let's see how it actually performs. This is a cream formula with a shimmery finish designed to give sheer coverage. The idea is versatility. You can sweep it across the high points of your face, dab it onto the eyelids for a wash of shimmer, or even add a glow to your shoulders. Cindy Lou specifically leans toward a peachy-pink tone, which immediately gives it a softer, more youthful vibe compared to champagne or gold highlighters. In real-world use, I found the texture very blendable. It doesn't drag on the skin and melts in well with either fingers or a brush. On the cheekbones, it delivers a fresh, dewy sheen rather than an overly metallic highlight, making it more daytime friendly. I also tested it as an eyeshadow topper, and while it looks lovely for a quick glow, it does crease a bit if worn alone for several hours without primer. As a bronzer, it's more subtle, better suited for fair to light medium skin tones. Otherwise, the color payoff might not stand out enough. Of course, there are strengths and weaknesses here. On the pro side, the versatility is a big win. The cream formula feels lightweight and breathable, perfect for someone who wants a natural finish. It also layers well without caking, and the peachy hue makes it flattering on many undertones. On the con side, if you prefer an intense, high-impact highlight, this won't give you that blinding effect, and if your skin tends to get oily, you may notice it fading faster than a powder highlighter would. Is it worth the money? For me, yes, because you're essentially getting a multi-use product in one compact. theBalm is priced mid-range, and considering the quality of the formula, I'd say it justifies the cost. Compared to something like Benefit's What's Up, which has a cream-to-powder texture, Cindy Lou leans more toward that soft, lived-in glow, making it less intense, but more versatile. The build quality is what you'd expect from theBalm. Sturdy, travel-friendly packaging with a mirror included. While it's not luxury-level casing, it's practical and holds up well in a makeup bag. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you're someone who loves natural makeup looks, multitasking products, or you're just starting out with highlighters and don't want anything too dramatic, Cindy Lou from theBalm Manizer line could be a smart choice. If, however, you want full-on drama and intensity, you might be happier with a powder formula that packs more punch. Thanks for stopping by Beautyistic. You'll find the link to purchase this product in the comments or description box below. And if you've tried Cindy Lou or any of the other shades in the Manizer range, drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to know how you wear it. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.